Hi. In this video, we will explain how an admin can manage users and licenses in App4Legal. Users in App4Legal could be any member that will utilize and collaborate on the system, such as the legal team, accountants, administrators, and so on. Each user will have his own credentials so that he can easily log into the system, but only admins can add, edit, activate, deactivate, and manage everything related to users. So, how to manage users and licenses in App4Legal? From the settings in the main menu, choose Manage Users. You will be directed to a page where you can view, manage, and add users to the system. The system's admin can add by either clicking on the Add User hyperlink on the top of the page, or from the Actions button on the right. When adding a new user, you are required to fill in all the basic information. Therefore, set the user's first name, last name, and email, choose the user group to which this user belongs, such as administrator, accountant, and so on. Then choose the seniority level, such as partner, consultants, or lawyer. Furthermore, set a password and choose the access type for this user. A user can use the core solution, the contract solution, or both. The system will automatically set the user's unique code and can be used as an employee ID or a replacement to a user full name when generating an invoice. You can add more details such as the user's personal information like job title, mobile number, and user's address, but all these fields are optional. Once the new user is added to the List of Users page, you can view, edit, ban, activate and deactivate this user at any time, override privacy, flag to change password, which means that the user will be invited to change his password on his next login, revoke the API key and view his permission list. In case an admin wants to ban a user from using the system, he can simply do it from the ban option next to the user's name, choose to ban and specify the reason. Moreover, the admin can deactivate a user in case he is no longer an employee or in case the admin wants to replace him with another user. However, the admin should always make sure of the total number of purchased and used licenses for either core or contract within the instance. For example, if the total number of licenses is 30 and the number of current users is 10, the system admin can still add 20 additional users. Therefore, in case the number of users exceeds the number of licenses, the admin can either deactivate one user and replace it with a new one, or he can purchase additional users' licenses. Deactivating a user doesn't mean deleting it. As an admin, you can reactivate users at any time. First, use the advanced search to look for all users with inactive status within the system. Then, from the list of inactive users, choose the one you want to reactivate. Furthermore, as an admin, you can manage users' permissions with respect to each group. Go to the settings, choose the user group's permissions, select the user group you want to manage, select a module, and start setting the desired permissions for this group of users. For any further information, feel free to reach out to us at help@app4legal.com. Thank you.